ProfitNet can help you obtain a Reynolds and Reynolds repair order number, order and receive parts, and close the RO. Let's take a look. Here is an estimate that has been imported from your estimating system. First, convert this to a repair order by clicking on the Convert to RO icon. Before this can be sent to Reynolds and Reynolds, confirm you have entered the mileage in amount and a valid estimator. Now, go to the dealer information screen and verify that you have green traffic lights in each of the 3 boxes. The green light indicates the information is ready to post to Reynolds and Reynolds. Highlight one section and click on the single red check mark to send the customer information. This will bring up a summary of the RO, including relevant information regarding the customer, vehicle, and job. ProfitNet can search Reynolds and Reynolds for a matching customer name, customer ID, or vehicle ID. You will be alerted if the system finds a match, which would indicate that the account information already exists in the dealership management system. This alert helps prevent duplicate entries. Once you have run your initial search and know that you are not creating a duplicate account, you can go back into the Reynolds and Reynolds system and request the next available RO number. In this case, your RO has been designated as number 27357. When this information is brought into ProfitNet, you will override the original RO number in ProfitNet with the Reynolds and Reynolds generated RO number, so that you don't have to manage 2 separate RO numbers for one job. If your dealership is using the 3 C's, complaint, cause, and correction, in Reynolds and Reynolds, then you can record these by clicking on the note pin on the right-hand side. You can also change the pay type if needed from customer to warranty or to an internal ticket. Once you have entered your 3 C's, click OK. To send this information to Reynolds and Reynolds, simply check the box, Update RO, and then click on the single checkmark icon. This repair order can now be viewed in Reynolds and Reynolds on screen 3651. This allows you to see all of the information that ProfitNet sent over. It shows the estimate totals, the labor totals, as well as the customer and vehicle information. It also documents the 3 C's you entered into ProfitNet. This saves you from having to open the repair order manually in Reynolds and Reynolds. Once ProfitNet has opened the RO, this screen becomes locked and is read-only. All updates must happen in ProfitNet. If you need to flag time for your technicians, you can do this on screen 3652. If you answer yes, you'll see that this screen can only be used to flag labor. Managing parts with the Reynolds and Reynolds interface can save you time. In ProfitNet, go to the Order Parts screen and click on the parts you need to order. Then, click on Save POS and click OK. This will bring up the purchase order window, which gives you the option to print, void, or send the PO via OE connection. It also provides you the option to send the PO via Reynolds and Reynolds. Click on Reynolds and Reynolds and then click OK. The check marks indicate the parts have been transferred successfully. Now, if you go back to Reynolds and Reynolds screen 2525, you can sell the parts to the repair order number. Enter the RO number and the header information. Reynolds and Reynolds will ask if you want to review the part components ordered. Enter Yes. From this screen, you can sell the part to the repair order. Enter a cost, sales price, and description, and then enter Yes to confirm the information is correct. Repeat this process for each part. Once you are done with all of the parts, close out the ticket and save the information. Now, screen 2525 shows the parts total of $750. Once the parts arrive, you can quickly receive the parts using the ProfitNet Reynolds and Reynolds interface. First, click on the Receive Parts tab, then click on the R&R icon. ProfitNet pulls this part information from screen 2525. To receive the parts, simply check the box for each part and click on the Process Parts button. Enter the invoice number and then click OK. Now, you can see lines 2 and 5 have turned green, indicating that those parts have been received in ProfitNet. The last step is to close the repair order using the Reynolds and Reynolds interface. First, make sure your dates are correct, your job total is correct, and that all technician labor is flagged. Then, click on the Dealer Summary icon. This shows a summary for RO 27357. To close the repair order in ProfitNet, click on the folder with the green checkmark icon. Check the complete status and final bill status. Then click OK. Notice how the header has changed to Final for RO 27357. Now, ProfitNet is ready to send the final accounting information for this RO to Reynolds and Reynolds. Click on the double checkmarks icon. This will open the billing screen showing the information that will be posted to Reynolds and Reynolds. Once the information is done sending, the header will change again to show Closed RO for 27357. Now, screen 3651 has been unlocked, and you can proceed with your normal closing procedures within Reynolds and Reynolds. For more information on the Reynolds and Reynolds interface, contact your Axalta ProfitNet Territory Manager or Yada